What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to find saved passwords on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To find your saved passwords, you should make use of the Windows Credential Manager application. In your Start menu search, simply type Credential Manager to open it up. On this window, you can view and delete your saved login information for websites, connected applications and networks. In your web credentials, you will be able to view the passwords that Windows has saved locally. You will need your Windows user password to view or delete your saved passwords. Under Windows Credentials, you will find your saved network passwords and passwords from non-web applications. Make sure not to share this information with anyone. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.